It's so good to be back.
Demisha, is it Gavant? Come on up. Ms. Gavant, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor, correct? It says here that you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unauthorized driver to operate your vehicle, correct?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for that charge? And if I accept that plea, which I'm almost sure to do, then I'll dismiss both the original charges that were issued to you. And you've read your rights form. You understood those rights, did you? Understand the options that go along with all those rights? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge? I'm going to put it on the drove while license not valid. So on September 13, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township? And at that time, was there something wrong with your driver's license? What was the issue? You were suspended. All right. I will accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss all three of the original charges in keeping with your agreement with the prosecutor. What's the status of your license now? Awesome. Valid again. Good for you. Are you working?
Yeah,
All right. All right. When you leave, well, somebody does.
I've been fine.
Somebody does. Yeah. 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 I've got a young guy I've been dealing with since I knew his mom when he was a little boy, and I've been dealing with him for decades. And I remember he was in here, he always getting in trouble with stupid stuff. And he was in here one day. And I was giving him a hard time because he didn't have a job. And finally he said, Judge, the problem is if I tell them about my record, they won't hire me. And if I don't tell them about my record, they'll hire me. And sooner or later they find out and they come to me and fire me. So here's what I tell people all the time. And I was thinking the other day, it sounds bad when I say this, but I love construction trades. That's my dad was a builder. I worked construction to put myself through school, but it sounds like I'm denigrating that field. I'm not. In my experience, the trades, they don't care what your record is. If you'll show up, work your butt off, be there on time, if you do all that kind of stuff, they need somebody today. They don't care what you did 10 years ago, right? So try to hook up with a contractor. You're not real big, but roofer, construction guys, road work. I mean, there's women in all those positions now. But that's the long-term goal, right? Because you get in with a good company like that and you got a home. So in the short term, what I want you to do before you get out of here is I want you to go downstairs and just go up to the counter. You're looking for Avery Taylor, tall, bald, black guy, good look. He's the best dressed guy in the building every day. All right. He's the guy you want to talk to about a job because he knows the people around our companies around our area that are hiring. He knows who they are. He keeps track of that stuff. So he might be able to help you find a job right now while you're looking for that career thing. Okay. All right. Now let's get back to business. Is there anything you want me to know before I sentence you today? Yeah. No, you're getting it together. You got to get a job. But you got your license. Yeah. Well, now you can get to the job. Right. Right. Good for you. All right. Nothing else?
No.
All right. I'm going to give you a little break on the money because I like your smile. I'm going to order 4 days on the court work program. That's an alternative to jail. So, well, actually, Mr. Taylor's where you're going to sign up for that. Mr. Taylor's right in that area. So just I think you'll be talking to Vanessa, but tell her you need to talk to Mr. Taylor about a job. Sign up for those 4 days right away. Bang them out because if you get a chance to get a job, you don't want to say, but I can't go start work yet because. So bang your 4 days on the work program out. Fines that cost you $400. Did you bring $400? Then downstairs at the counter, talk about options on that. Questions? Good luck to you. You're welcome.
This case wasn't just about a ticket. It was about whether someone gets stuck or gets moving. The judge didn't just sentence her, he handed her a direction. Work, show up, rebuild. Sometimes the loudest moment in court isn't punishment, it's opportunity.